We will be looking into the future now, and it's about predictive maintenance, as Laura mentioned, and we will tell you how you can implement a holistic, and now it's important, predictive maintenance approach by combining data analytics, IoT sensors, machine learning, generative AI, and most important, not to forget, the human expertise. Please help me in welcoming our two experts who will be presenting that interesting topic, Andreas Detmer and Anja Adling.
Hi, my name is Anja Adling. Consider me your travel agent today on your journey towards maintenance excellence. So at Siemens, I'm known as Head of Portfolio for Predictive Maintenance. What I do, I make sure that you have the best options available to book your itinerary. And when I say itinerary, I actually mean your journey towards predictive maintenance and by utilizing predictive maintenance for maintenance excellence. So,
my name is Andreas Detmer, and today I'm your travel coordinator, or in Siemens, I'm responsible for the business development for predictive maintenance. And while Anja put all the packages for the journey together, packaging the things up, I select the right packages at the right time at your journey and put it in place for you, the right option at the right time for your journey.
So, why do we talk about predictive maintenance? What are the benefits? First of all, availability comes to mind. So if you want to increase your availability, predictive maintenance is a good step into exactly this direction. And if you even have already a high level of availability, you can make this more efficient. Another aspect is you enable remote work, addressing the challenge of finding skilled labor. Predictive maintenance enables you to capture the know-how and make it available to less experienced maintenance engineers. And last but not least, sustainability. Predictive maintenance can help you achieve your sustainability targets because you can avoid waste and also have a longer machine life. So, how to start your journey? If you have a small business with a few assets, you surely want to gain value from the data that comes from your assets. So you can use drive and machine analytics to get transparency on the condition of your machines. Then you will want to follow up with maintenance activities according to the condition of your assets. And that's where maintenance workflow management comes into the picture. You can use this to manage and track the work orders and the tickets. You can make the relevant information available to where it's needed and when it's needed. And you can also collect the know-how on how the maintenance measures were implemented. But it doesn't just stop there. For a smaller business, that might be the solution. For a bigger business, this can be a starting point. And thinking bigger, a business with hundreds or even thousands of assets, they surely want to use the same mechanisms to gain value out of the data from their assets. So you can do so with the Senseye Predictive Maintenance Cloud application to constantly monitor and analyze thousands of your assets and their condition. By using computerized maintenance management systems, you manage all the work that is related with maintenance. And you can easily combine this with the actionable insights that come from the Senseye Cloud application. It helps you to focus your maintenance attention where it is needed. And that actually works for many kinds of assets. It's always the same approach. And for specific assets, you can even enrich this by implementing and combining the drive and machine analytics together with the cloud application.
Okay. And while Anja presented the more, let's say, vertical approach from the small on-premise solution to the big cloud application, I show you here how you can scale within your whole factory to have a more holistic approach. So typically, our customers look at the primary production. So this is a treasure of every factory where the product is produced. No downtime is welcome here, or no unplanned downtime is welcome here. So there, normally, we start our journey, and then we go over to the secondary production. This means packaging. So we can also monitor packaging machine, conveyors, and so on. Sensor can also work there. And then when the product is finally produced and packaged, where goes it? Into the warehouse. And we can also monitor assets in the warehouse. So stacker cranes, AGVs, conveyors there. All this is possible with our solution. And what's missing? We have here the whole supply chain, but there's more in the factory. We can also monitor the facility assets, HVACs, cooling, chillers, heaters. All this is possible with our holistic solution. So I think all in all, we have a very good solution, a scalable solution, a very holistic solution.
So now we're already at the end of our little excursion, but the trip goes on. We're inviting you to join us at our station number 84, Sensei Predictive Maintenance, to take a look into the future and what the journey can look like for you. So we're happy to welcome you there. My lovely colleague Andreas will stand exactly all the way on the other end of the Siemens Hall. And thank you, and see you later.
Thank you, Anja and Andreas. Applause is yours. You definitely fascinated the audience. So they want to go on a trip, that's for sure, with you guys. So what makes your journey, let's say, more comfortable? Is it a 5-star car, or is it rather an old vintage car?
You mean something like air conditioning in the bus on a trip? Yeah, we have something in place. So while Anja was the travel agent, I was the travel coordinator in our software. We have a guide, the travel guide installed. Our Sensei Copilot is available for every customer. Every Sensei customer can use our Sensei Copilot to have more insights in the predicted things. And you can go over to the ThyssenKrupp use case. I think station 120, is it? It's in the middle.
You can't miss it. It's the biggest box at the fair booth, more or less.
Well, you can miss me because Anja is right. I'm in the corner. There's nothing. I have a lot of spare space there for you all. So come over, join me there. But the Sensei Copilot is shown here in the middle at the ThyssenKrupp station. Go over there. My colleagues Ned and Tom welcome you all.
Andreas, it sounds like you've already been in conversation with a lot of customers. Is it? So what's the most raised question so far?
Most questions so far, how I can get the data into your application.
And how is it?
Oh, we can help there everywhere because Siemens provides an end-to-end solution. So we help at IT/OT integration, or when data is missing, we also can install sensors and so on. We help end-to-end.
And Anja comes in there to oversee the full project.
Yes, and it's really important to mention the actual way how to get the data. So our connectivity solutions are exactly the service that supports you, our customers, to get the data, which you already have, but you might not make use of them yet. So
very motivating, isn't it? So don't miss your chance to talk to them. Maybe more to Anja than to Andreas. I'm going to give you a little break now. And once more, big round of applause to the two of you for presenting the Predictive Maintenance Coordinator. Thank you so much.
thank you.